Welcome! If you want to change date and time settings in your Garmin DriveSmart 61, at the first you have to open the settings. Next you have to scroll down for units and time, and in the first we can set the current time, so we can make it manually just like that by swiping with our finger, and that will be manual time. But you can also set up automatically, provided to the location or the Wi-Fi network. You can go back. You can also change the time format between 24 hours, 12 hours and UTC. That's the units, so you can go between the miles and kilometers, and that's also the position format. As you can see, there's a lot of formats that you can pick. Click save if you want to confirm. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.